Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, today I'm going to show you my Planner Society January box that I got from the Planner Society. But before we get into it, please make sure you like, subscribe, leave a nice comment. Thanks so much for everyone who's been subscribing and checking out my channel. Lots of big things are coming, and I'm having some coupon codes, so always stay tuned to my Instagram. So the first thing is like, wow, check out this box. So brand new Planner Society box. Very different from the brown box. Inside is completely white. And part of me is like, okay, great, thanks for the changes. But the best part is what's inside. So I've been looking at some sneak peeks because Christy's been saying how she's adding a little bit more things because now the box is a bi-monthly box. So I'm gonna take things out one by one, and I'm gonna show you what we got. So the first thing is the washi. Planner Society always has the best, cutest washi ever. I hope you can see that, but it's like a blush pink, sort of like David Austin roses. They remind me of like what was in my bouquet, and some gold foil. So really, really pretty. And that's what it looks like. Awesome. Love, love, love. Then we get this really cute paper clip. I'm gonna actually just zoom in. That way you can see a lot more things a lot more clearly. And I don't have to focus in and out. So very cute washi planner paper clip. Can't wait to use that. Then we get some of these. Now I've never made pen loop holders out of scratch. So I'm actually going to try because I have a few of these that Christy has always included in the boxes. So I'm going to tackle that one day. And then over here we have some of those tabs, and again, I don't really use the tabs a lot. I have like a whole bunch of them. Actually, let me see if I can pull them right now in my craft room. Yep, perfect. The same. Do you guys remember these? Oh my gosh, I've had this since I was in when I was in grade 8, and it's still going strong. So I have a whole bunch of these little tabs, and I've used them, but I don't use them. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel right now, but they're always in the kit, and it's I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. I'm kind of being persuaded to move away from the Planner Society box, but there are some things that I just love, and this is why I keep subscribing. So here is a really cute ink stamp, and it's like those pretty cups from Target. And so this is a mug with the eyelashes, and you get a cute little patch, and then you can put it anywhere. The back is adhesive, so you can put it on your planner or your jacket. And then what's really cool are these. So they are the washi cards, and you get, I'm just going to take them all out. So just taking one out. You get 4 of them, and oh, look at that. What does it say? Please remove clear film from the top layer. Oh yeah, I saw someone talking about that. So there's a layer of film on it, so I guess it'd be a little bit more clearer instead of being a little bit more musky looking. So I'm going to do that later. But you get a pink bow, and then you get sort of a forest green, and another pink large, and forest, well, this one looks more teal. So really cute. I might just use them to cut washi, but they're really, really cute. I like them. So that's super new to the Planner Society. Something else I love, and this is why I really I can't walk away from the Planner Society, is because of these sick pockets. So I love them. Love, love, love. So here's a pink with some gold foil, gray houndstooth with some gold foil, some beautiful flowers with the gold, and last but not least, this tealy green with the gold foil. Love these pockets. I use them all the time. And here is my mini, and so here's an example of how I've used them, and I've used them in some of my pockets that I've made. Okay, so let's keep going. Also in this kit, we get a pencil case, pencil pouch. I really like it. This month, they've included this gold bow, if you can check that out. Right there, there's this gold bow. So it's not just a plain little keychain. So that's really neat, the detail. I noticed their logo is not here, so that's kind of cool. And the pouch seems a lot more deeper, and so do the pen loops. Speaking of pen loops, you get this really cute pen, and it's always in black ink. So I love that. And it has a pink houndstooth to it. And then there's the florals. So that's really nice. Pretty chunky pen, and it fits really nicely. I really love the Planner Society pens. I have a whole collection of them. So that's what I love. And then my most favorite part are the die cuts, you guys. Die cuts for life. Okay? And I love that a couple, I guess maybe a year ago, the materials started to change. So this is a much more nicer cardstock. It's a little bit more durable. So I'm just going to go through them. You get a cute card, some washi. Here's a little planner book. Here is that mug. I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. Enjoy all things. I love Christy's die cuts. Look at this backpack. I am going to save this. I can already tell. I am going to save this and put this in my Disney planner. Love that. Look at them. Oh, so lovely. These die cuts don't have any gold foil to them. I'm a little sad about that. A couple of the kits from previous months had gold foil. And then here are some journaling cards. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. I didn't come this far to only come this far. It will never be perfect. Make it work. Life. Cool. New worth, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results. And the last one is making mistakes is better than faking perfections than faking perfections. And then cute little planner desk. So I enjoy the die cuts. Probably my favorite part of the Planner Society are the die cuts. Also, and I mean, this is what you get, right? It's pretty amazing for what you get. For us who live in Toronto, it's about like $55 Canadian. So, oh, look at that. This is where all the gold foil has been hiding, up in here. So Christy gives you sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, a little envelope of like 4 little sheets of stickers. So here are the backpacks with the gold foil, and a lot of them are the die cuts that we just kind of perused. So that's really nice. And then this is new. This is like a washi sticker sheet, and normally Christy adds can I even pull one? I'd have to go in my stuff, but basically they're always quotes like hashtag planner girl, Planner Society girl. So this is really new. She's taken that away and she's added like these washi strips. And then last is the mug with the eyelashes. Super cute. So you get 4 of those. And then, see, and I don't know what I would do with these, but they're like little flowery charms, and I can see some gold stuff. I don't know if I'd use this. I'm sorry. And then here are those little header tabs. I think I will use this. I was so in love because I am creating some new mini planners, and this color was just screaming at me. So they kind of represent these teal discs that I ordered. So I can't wait to make little pocket drip cards for my planner with these. So really excited about that. And let's see what else we got. We got some of these scalloped bow, and this is in a hollow glitter scallop, so I love that. So I'm going to make some edges, some dividers using this from one of my mini happy planners. And then what's super new is that instead of just one sticky note, we are getting some sticky notes that look like this, and these are sticky notes. But Christy also mentioned that she is adding these notepads. So I am really, really happy to see this because I want to just punch them and maybe put them in my mini happy planner, and I want to see how that works. It'll fit. It doesn't have to be like 5x7, but it will look really cute when I just want to like pull a note out, and then I'll put it in my mini to go. Oh no, my little cuddle up bear, my bundle up bear tried to run away from me. So that's really neat, and that's what they look like. Sorry if you didn't get to check them out. So that's that. And last but not least, in the Planner Society, you always get scrapbook paper. And for me, the scrapbook paper is, I have a lot of it left. So the point being, guys, is I'm thinking about unsubscribing. I always do this. I say I'm going to unsubscribe, and then I subscribe like a month later because I just love the sneak peeks. So here you get the scrapbook paper, really nice quality, beautiful quality. Can't say no. You get some blush pink, and on this side, the gray houndstooth. You get some clear acetate like this. This one has gold foil, and on the back, which is nice, even though it's not intentional, but it comes out silver. This one's really cute. It's like a blush pink foil, rose gold foil, and on the back comes out like that. So that's really nice. This is super new, which is a scallop edging of scrapbook paper. I'm really excited to use this in my mini. And then some gold foil vellum, which is beautiful. Some pink houndstooth vellum. And then just like this one, this is the back. So this is what you get when you get the Planner Society. You get a lot of stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if I went really, really fast. I just really wanted to check it all out, see what I get. I've actually subscribed to some other subscription boxes, so there's a lot of stuff coming my way. And I will see if I keep the subscription box. But it's so hard to say I'm going to quit because I just always find myself coming back because Chrissy just makes the most beautiful things for her subscribers in her subscription box. So thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you had fun. I had fun. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend. Okay, and let me see what you make. So tag me in some Instagram posts. Thanks for everyone tagging me, commenting. Really appreciate it. Have a happy day, everyone, and you'll see another video from me soon. Bye.